Listen up, today we're diving into one of the most legendary rides in BMW history, the BMW E34. But we're not just talking specs. Oh no, we're uncovering the secrets behind this iconic 5 Series that most people don't even know. If you want to check a car history using its VIN, you can find a link for a 20% discount in the description. The E34 hit the streets in 1987, replacing the E28, and instantly set a new standard for luxury, performance, and German engineering. But here's the thing, it was just another sedan. BMW secretly designed it to be a driver's dream and an endurance machine. Some say they over-engineered it, and they weren't kidding. First secret: the rear multi-link suspension. Back in the late 80s, most cars had simple setups. BMW's engineers pushed boundaries to give the E34 handling that rivals sports cars, while keeping it insanely comfortable for long drives. That's why hardcore enthusiasts still swear by the way it hugs corners. Second secret: the engines. Sure, the inline sixes are legendary, and the V8 South roar like beasts, but did you know that the M5 South S38 engine was hand-assembled by a select team of BMW specialists? Each engine was almost like a signature piece of art, a secret BMW ritual that most drivers never realized. Here's a wild one. The E34 was actually tested in extreme conditions that BMW never advertised. Engineers drove prototypes in freezing Siberian tundras and blazing deserts to make sure it could survive basically anything. That's why some of these cars are still on the road today, over 30 years later. And the design, timeless. That classic kidney grille, round headlights, and clean lines. Not just aesthetics. Each curve was carefully calculated to reduce drag and improve stability. A secret engineering handshake between form and function. Oh, and let's talk rarity. Some trims, like the M5 touring prototypes, almost never saw the light of day. Only a handful were ever built, making them holy grails for collectors. And here's a fun fact: BMW engineers once tested a V12 version of the E34, but it never went into production. Can you imagine that beast on the streets? The E34 wasn't just a car, it was a masterclass in engineering, design, and secret innovation. And even decades later, enthusiasts around the world still hunt them down, restore them, and drive them like they were brand new. So next time you see an E34 cruising by, remember, there's more to that car than meets the eye. It's a legend with secrets, a machine that defined an era, and a true BMW classic. Stay tuned, because we've only scratched the surface. The E34 has more stories than you could imagine.